We're back in the boneyard today. Here's the old frame from my red and white truck. And I'm gonna get this rear end out from under it. All right, some penetrating oil. Breaker bar. I came out here with just my set of wrenches. Failed. Then I put some PB blaster or whatever that stuff was, and the wrench. Fail. Got a socket, breaker bar, and it succeeded. I brought a torch too, but I didn't need it. Anyway, now I'm down to the ratchet. This one's coming off pretty good. Oh, this is the one I've been looking for. Okay, I want to show you something. I discovered this going down the road, and then my dad pointed it out to me as well. This is the back the back driver's side tire. I'm gonna line up the edge of that tire with that piece of tape right here. As I rotate this tire, I'm trying to hold it still. Oh, you see that? It's got a wobble. So what I don't know is it the rim or if it is the axle. But in either case, I have a new axle, I don't have a new rim. I'm gonna put this one on from the other side that did not have a wobble, and we're gonna see if it does the same thing. Okay, new wheel is on. Oh yeah, look at that. All right. Original tire wheel. Put 3. See what they do. Moment of truth. She's sitting pretty far back. Oh, I'm scrubbing the ground, but I think it's doing it again. All right, here we go. Oh my, yep. I got this nail put on my jack stand. See it touch? Over here, don't touch. You can actually see a space in between there. Dragged again. Space. Drag. So, I got a couple of axles over here. I think I'll try to pull that axle out and see if this will work. If it does, you know, I'll clean all that stuff up and paint it like my other one. But yeah, I think that's the problem. Oh, I don't want to lose all that rear end fluid. Put this.
All right.
That is 1,000 times better. This tire's got a little whatever right there, little excess rubber, so it kind of messes with you when you do it, but it oh, it's so much more true. Anyway, extra points if you saw the spider. Kind of rewarding though. Clean them up pretty good. I've got this POR 15, which works really good. Here's your little tip, by the way. Always open your can from the side and stick a screw in it. Because if you take the lid off, back and forth, that stuff's gonna harden, and you will, one, you may never get your lid off. Two, you certainly won't ever get it back on there. So there's your little tip. All right, we're gonna put some grease down in these bearings here.
You gotta tell them what you're doing.
All right, so now I'm gonna put the wheel cylinder back in place. That was a new one when we installed it the first time. I got this backing plate for the drum brakes. Painted up, cleaned up and painted up. It looks good, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let me give me I think that's a 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch.
Okay, that's enough. Now I think I'm gonna have to okay, new backer plate put on. All the drum brake mechanism put back in place. 1973 to 1979 F100 axle nut torque specs. I really just kind of wanted an excuse to open up my new 1/2 inch drive torque wrench. Set it 0. Well, this is hard to see. 40, 45. It's got a lot of good give. All right, finally got a chance to get back up in here. All my transmission's put back in place. Here's the little cinch nut, or whatever you want to call it, that tightens this down. This is the adjuster pin. And what I did was I basically tightened this down 1/4 of a turn. And then tighten the cinch nut back down to adjust this band in a little bit tighter. All right, as far as I can tell, I've got first, second, and third. That's good. That's what I want. She runs good. Around this gas station right here. Show y'all the inside much, but it's nice in here. It needs to be cleaned up. All right, here we go. We're gonna count the gears. This is 1. We got to turn. 1, 2. That's 2. And that's 3. Boy, it's a slight shift, but you can feel it. All right, I have first, second, third, and reverse. So that only took about 8 months. Anyway, it is past time for a bath, but she looks good. She's running good.